In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase text size here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy, and there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. First off, once you have your text on the canvas like this, we want to click onto the text box to enable this. Then we can come up to the toolbar just here and to where we see these numbers. Now, as we can see, there's a little plus icon and a minus icon. If we click on one of these, it's going to increase the text size. If we use the other side, it's going to decrease. Now, another way is to simply clicking on these numbers. Then, by default, it can go all the way up to 144, just like that. Now, if you want the text to be bigger than this, we can simply click onto the numbers and then just put in a number. So let's do 200, then click enter. And now that has been increased. Now another way that we can do this is simply clicking onto the text box, clicking onto the corner, and then we can drag to make bigger and or smaller, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to increase text size here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.